Deep down, you know your child has something special to offer. Maybe they have a brilliant idea, a captivating story, or a passion they long to share. But when it comes to presenting, that spark seems to fade. Public speaking can be daunting. Stage fright takes over, and their voice, their confidence, gets lost in the shuffle. They miss out on opportunities to shine, to connect with others, and to make a difference. But at Young Fan Public Speaking Summer Camp, we don't just teach kids how to speak, we help them transform their fear into excitement. Our program isn't just about lectures and drills. It's a fun-filled adventure designed to build confidence and public speaking skills in a supportive environment. Through interactive workshops with energetic counselors, your child will discover the power of their voice and unlock their inner star. Imagine the transformation you'll see in your child. Watch as they conquer stage fright and project their voice with power. See the joy in their eyes as they learn to speak clearly, persuasively, and captivate their audience with their message. This summer, equip your child with the skills they need to thrive in any situation. They'll learn to think on their feet, respond confidently under pressure, and confidently express their ideas with clarity and impact. Imagine a future filled with confident presentations, leading classroom discussions, and a voice that makes a difference. Don't let public speaking hold your child back any longer. At Young Fan Public Speaking Summer Camp, they'll find their voice, unleash their potential, and shine bright. Let Young Fan Public Speaking Summer Camp be the stepping stone to your child's success. Here, they'll build the confidence to lead with passion. Imagine your child captivating their audience with a science project, a heartfelt story, or a persuasive argument. We help them develop the enthusiasm and stage presence to connect with any listener. Think on their feet, unexpected questions can be nerve-wracking. At Young Fan, your child will learn to think critically and respond confidently in any situation, building the skills they need to succeed in school, future careers, and everyday life. Become powerful communicators. Clear communication is key to success. Our program helps your child develop the skills to express their ideas with clarity and impact, ensuring their voice is heard and understood. Visit our website or call us now to learn more about our programs and to schedule a tour.